Start by taking off the FR sleeving from the suppressor cover to prepare it for installation. Carefully remove any bungee cords and the Kevlar rope wrapped around the cover to fully loosen it. Slightly loosen the cover from the back end to facilitate easier sliding over the suppressor. Continue loosening the rope all the way to the front of the cover, ensuring it's ready for installation. Gently stretch the sleeving to make it easier to slide over. It's easier to start from the rear of the suppressor. Given the 1.75-inch diameter of the suppressor, the sleeving might be tight but will fit. Push and slide it over, adjusting as you go. Think of it as a Chinese finger trap. The sleeving expands and contracts to fit snugly over the suppressor. Ensure a bit of the suppressor's front is left exposed. This helps the cover grip the suppressor directly instead of gripping the sleeving, preventing slippage and ensuring a cleaner look. Ensure the cover does not overhang the flow ports to avoid damage, as this is a flow-through suppressor. Once the sleeving is positioned correctly, slide the cover over it and cinch it down by hand to close any gaps. Ensure a tight fit without covering essential parts like the threads or the rear of the can. Start tightening the cover, ensuring it fits snugly around the suppressor. You might notice a small gap, but work the material to stretch and cover adequately. Pull the rear tight and ensure you're pulling against the loop cord to secure the cover without damaging it. One side of the rope will tighten the rear, while the other side tightens the front. Loop the rope around the suppressor, following the stitching for a neat finish. Secure it by looping the bungee through the provided loop cord, ensuring everything stays tight and in place.